Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE Day 2 in Amsterdam of the ISE 2016 show, and I'm here with Brady Bruce. Brady Bruce is now the Vice President of Marketing for this brand new company, which is a conglomeration of InFocus and Jupiter systems, which I guess is going to, and more. I was going to say, I guess it's going to all be rolled into InFocus, right?
We're all InFocus now.
Yeah, I mean, you still have some brands. You have the Avastar, you have Vidco, and you've recently, and then you've also they've purchased. I guess Jupiter was purchased back last fall,
October 1.
And then there's a third company. What was the third?
Well, so we've made recent acquisitions. We acquired Avastar, which provides much of the video conferencing technology we're using here now, and Vidco, which gave us a bigger footprint on the ground in EMEA with their presence in Frankfurt. Yeah.
So now let's talk a little bit about. Well, first of all, we talked when we had our video conference. We talked a little bit about how the merger's gone, and you've the transition is almost complete. And in fact, you have two booths here on the show floor. This one's focused on collaboration. The InFocus booth is focused on projection. How has the response been so far on your collaboration stand?
It's been phenomenal. Now we have the two booths. It's a sort of a legacy issue. InFocus reserved a booth, and Jupiter reserved a booth last year, and we put them to use as InFocus now. And it's working great. So in the other booth, we're focused mainly, as you said, on presentations, so projectors, some of our touch-enabled technology like MondoPad, J-Touch, DigiEasel, and here in this booth, we're focused on collaboration.
Yeah, and it's all based on the Connect's backbone, really. I mean, it starts from a phone all the way through MondoPad and all the way through the large control room systems.
Well, so one of the things we're announcing is the Connect's video conferencing system. And Connect's does, as you say, describe a variety of offerings that move all the way from a video phone, the Connect's phone, that sits on your desktop, to interoperability with browsers, so I can dial into a video conference from any laptop with a browser, all the way through to MondoPad, and then you'll see behind us some other Connect's endpoints. Connect's Exec, which is designed for CXO offices, and can drive from 1 to 4 displays, actually 1 to 9 displays, a 3x3 array. And for big video walls, for those who have dreams of empire and need big video conferencing, Connect's wall back here provides a video conferencing system that can support up to 96 displays. So for those managing vast global empires, the ability to get your entire global team on and see them together and collaborate is supported by a wall of that size.
Well, I need one of those for my office, but let's see.
We can work something out.
That'd be a little much for my little office. Obviously for ISE 2017, we'll see a more merged booth that has everything in one place, right? I mean, I assume that you'll probably merge the two companies together.
So next year you'll see a single presence, which will have the full range of InFocus products, from projection to touch panels to the video conferencing and the Canvas collaborative visualization software, all in one place.
Speaking of Canvas, last year at ISE we were here and you launched the Canvas box. I forget exactly what you called the box.
CRS 4K conference room system.
Right, 4K conference room system. Right. And now you've integrated that technology into the MondoPad.
Well, we saw a huge opportunity for Canvas in the conference room and the huddle room. And the CRS 4K, a small sort of shoebox size system, allowed us to move Canvas into the conference room, a small quiet box, connect up to 4 displays. The opportunity arose when we merged Jupiter into InFocus to take advantage of that MondoPad touch-enabled display. The great thing about it is in fact a Windows PC, and so we simply took the CRS 4K software and moved that into the MondoPad where it runs. The MondoPad now becomes an endpoint for Canvas. So for any conference room or huddle room, I have a really simple solution. I take that panel, I hang it onto the wall, plug it into power, plug it into the network, and it is now a Canvas-enabled huddle space.
Yeah, so what was a interactive giant tablet has now become an interactive giant tablet with collaboration.
Built in, that's exactly right. Really simple to use, high resolution. It's got all the features of Canvas, including Simple Share, which is the technology we introduced a year ago. It's our implementation of WebRTC, which makes it really simple to take content on your laptop, get it up on that screen, share it with people in the room, and more importantly, share it with people who are connected to the room in remote locations.
Yeah, and you guys have really sort of perfected I'd say I don't want to reposition it, but I'd say more higher end collaboration, because and now you've taken that high-end model and brought it down to the Mondo Pad, which is I would say more of an entry-level meeting room, huddle room space product, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't call it entry-level because of the power that's packed into this thing and the interactive features.
That's why I said I didn't want to prove
accessible. Yeah, it's more accessible, right, and easier to deploy. And a very satisfying experience when I'm working with Canvas on a big touch-enabled surface. 2 or 3 of us could stand there, interact with the content and the remote participants on whatever devices they happen to be using.
Yeah, and I wasn't meaning to downgrade the Mondo Pad, but you know what I mean. I mean,
it's more accessible.
It's more accessible, and it also puts it into pretty much the price range of any meeting room.
Yeah, it's easy to deploy, easy to afford, easy to configure.
Well, congratulations on everything. You got a great presence here at ISE 2016. Of course, we're going around and we're shooting videos on each of the new products, each of the things we talked about here during our discussion. So all you've got to do is type in InFocus in the video search window, and you can find each one of the videos we shot here at ISE. Brady, I appreciate it.
Good to see you as always.
Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.